sky, learning how to smile with tears I couldn't hide. Every tear became another page in a story I was still afraid to write. I chased the answers through the longest nights, wondering if the morning would ever know my name. Then I heard my own heart singing back, and nothing's ever felt the same. I don't need to erase the storm to believe the sun can shine again. Now I'm rising after the rain, watching faded colors bloom again. Every tear became a river, leading where I've never been. I don't have to run from yesterday, it shaped me into who I am today. I'm not who I was before the pain. I'm stronger after the rain. I'm stronger after the rain. There were fears telling me to quit, saying dreams weren't meant for a heart like this. But every song I dared to set free was another part of me coming alive. Now the road keeps moving toward tomorrow, and I don't fear where it might lead. Hope has finally learned my name, and it's walking here with me. If the mountains call, I'll answer. If the rivers rise, I'll cross. Every chapter brought me closer, even through every loss. I was never meant to stay in the story I'd outgrown. The light was waiting patiently to lead me home. Now I'm rising after the rain, feeling every sunrise